If you're looking to convert your voice notes into organized summaries and clear action items using artificial intelligence, then I would highly recommend you give this Notes GPT a go. It is quite simple to use and it is not your ordinary note taking companion. I have been using some hardware devices just to speak my notes into that device for some time now, and it is really cumbersome. It does record it, and then I play it around during various periods of time, and then it shows me what I needed to do, the most important things, because I'm juggling so many balls. But this tool really takes it to another level. I wish that someone would make an app out of it so that we would have it on our phone. So what this does is it not only um, records your free flowing voice notes, but more importantly, it converts them to clear action item with the help of generative AI. Now, in order to use it, all you need to do is to click on get started or sign up with your email account. Once you sign in, then you are presented with this screen. We don't have any recordings yet because I just signed up. Now, in order to record a new voice note, simply click here, and it might ask you to give allow your microphone once you click on this microphone icon. So let me do it, and then I will speak my notes. Uh, just a quick note to myself: start the day with the team meeting at 9 a.m. Need to go over the project report beforehand. Right after, give mom a call. Promised her yesterday. Don't forget to send the finalized presentation to Alex before lunch. He needs it for the client meeting, I guess. Lunch at 1 p.m. with Sarah. Need to leave early to grab that favorite table. Afternoon is packed, starting with the client meeting at 2 p.m., followed by the review of the quarterly budget by 3:30. Need to draft that email update before the team before the day ends. Also, the gym session is booked for 6:30 p.m. Not sure I would be able to go there, but need to go. Also, I really don't want to miss that again. Finally, dinner plans with Jamie at 8, but I need to confirm the reservation. Then afterwards, maybe I'll go for a movie or something because really need to go, uh, you know, to do some time out. That's it. And then I clicked on this microphone icon. Now it is processing, and you can see that how quick it is, that it is now generating the title, and there is a transcript and summary, and on the right hand side it is producing the action items out of whatever free flowing voice notes I have presented. And then it has also given the date. I should have also said something about tomorrow, so I would just check if puts a date on it. Anyway, okay, so this is not what I spoke. It says all of my talents are offered for the people who are teachers. Need to draft that email of the people who are teachers before gym session. That is correct. I'm not sure yet. That is correct. Totally wrong. Okay, in my previous trials it was pretty good, but this one. But anyway, I'm not going to edit the demo. I just want to keep the review honest and genuine. So, but you can see that it is. I didn't say that attend the gym session on Saturday, but it still did that. So if I click on view all action items, these are the only ones. I'm not sure where the teachers came from. Maybe it is my accent. I didn't think that my accent was so bad. Anyway, and one more interesting thing that this has been powered by Convex to gather and replicate, and I have done separate videos on all of these providers. Anyway, if I click on recordings, so offering talent to teachers, I'm not sure where that has come from. Let me do another recording. So let's see how that one goes. I will speak the same text. So let's click on record a new voice, then click here. Just a quick voice note to myself. Start the day with the team meeting at 9 a.m. Need to go over the project report beforehand. Right after, give mom a call. Promised her yesterday. Don't forget to send the finalized presentation to Alex before lunch. He needs it for client meeting. Lunch at 1 p.m. with Sarah. Need to leave early to grab that favorite table. Afternoon is packed, starting with the client meeting at 2 p.m., followed by the review of the quarterly budget by 3:30. Need to draft that email update for the team before the day ends. Also, the gym session is booked for 6:30 p.m. Can't miss that again. Finally, dinner plans with Jamie at 8. Must confirm the reservation. Tomorrow is a big day. I have a baseball game to play. Okay, so let's see. I spoke slowly on intent, so let's see if it is able to do that. I also talked about tomorrow's plan, so let's see if it is able to put anything for 15th of Feb. Let's wait for it to come back. I'm letting it run so that we would know how long does it take for such voice taking. I think transcript generation should be instantaneous in my opinion, whereas action items on the basis of it and summary could take bit of a time. Anyway, so let's see. There you go. This time it is quite good. But still a lot of error I can see, but let's read it. So it says just a quick voice note to myself. Starts the day with a team meeting at 9 a.m. Yes, need to go over the project report beforehand, right after dear mom of God. Well, not really. Promised her yesterday. Don't forget to send the finalized. Yes, that's right. He needs it for flight today. Nope, I didn't say anything like. Yeah, no, I said it. Lunch at 1 p.m. with Sarah to correct. Favorite table. Yes, starting with client. Yep. Quarterly budget. Gym session 6:30. Can't miss. Fun dinner plan. Yes. Tomorrow is our fifth day. No, I said big day. I have a baseball game 2:30 p.m. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay. Now, if I go down on the right hand side, these are action items. Start the day with yes. Go over project. Yep. Finalize. Yep. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Now, okay, this is awesome. So all the action items are clear. So this time it was able to detect it when I speak slow. So I can't speak in my normal flow. I have to speak bit slow for it to understand. Anyway, but okay, so it says that have a baseball game tomorrow. It's just hovering over it. I can't move it anyway. So that is cool. So I would say awesome stuff. Really like it. And you can see that it was able to do it in the second go almost perfectly. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on it. I'll drop the link to this in video's description so that you can also play around with it and then share your experience with me. And if you are a native English speaker, please try it out and let me know if it works in first go or not. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network. That helps. Thanks for watching.